You have to create products and services that people want, content that people want. Otherwise, you're going to be irrelevant. I have been using surveys for 20 years along my journey. I have gotten millions of responses across my efforts, social media, direct to consumer through emails, all over the place, even a lot of grassroots surveys like door-to-door knocking and talking to people and finding out more. You have to be able to get in communication with people in order to put together products, services, and content that people are going to engage with. This is one of the greatest failures that I have seen people, entrepreneurs, business, brand owners do along the years. They get romantic about the idea of what they want to sell, and they don't get data from their audience about what they should be selling. That leads to disappointment, that leads to failure, because being a romantic is not going to generate revenue, it's not going to get you attention. You have to deliver on what people need and want. And I'm going to tell you something really cool today about how to create surveys with AI in no time that is quite an opportunity that I want to pass along to you. So for example, I use surveys for like content creation. What content does my audience want to learn more about? What do they want to hear about? What are they struggling with? What pain points do they have? How can I help them? How can I take my ability and pass it on to them so they can give me attention and I can build some goodwill along the way? I ask people about what offers they would actually benefit from, how many individual products I can package together so I can solve a problem for them, what kind of offer they will be interested in seeing from me. I also ask people about products that they are consuming consistently. For example, for our Natural Slim family brand, we have a big line of products, somewhere around 40 different products. And we wanted to find out if people are consuming protein bars. So we surveyed them and we asked hundreds of thousands of our customers over the years, and they said, yes, we do. These are the products that we use. And based on that, we created our own amazing line of protein bars. So this is something that without that, I would be going to market with a protein bar that nobody's consuming. But now I know, because I surveyed, that the people are actually buying the protein bars and the products are doing really well, because I found out before going heavy in building a protein bar brand. Emails. What do you want to see on the emails? What do you want to see on the ads? What would you convert to? What would you be interested in engaging with? You get the idea. You use surveys for whatever you want to do so you can get some attention. Without them, you're going blind. I'm going to show you how to use some technology, some AI technology, to put a survey together in a second that otherwise would have taken you hundreds of dollars, if not thousands, and a lot more time. I'm going to talk about content creation for the next few minutes and how to use a survey to find out how to create content for people that people could engage with and will be interested in, that will lead you to attention, which will lead you to potential prospects and clients along the way. So providing value relies heavily on understanding your audience. What do they need help with that you know something about? This is what we're going to try to figure out with a survey. There's a few ways to find this out, but surveys is what I want you to start implementing right away. There's something now in this era that is so unique about the ability to create things at speed and at scale that I want you to leverage. I'm going to show you about Google. If you go to Gmail, if you go to the drop-down menu of all the options on google.com, you will see one of them being Google Forms. So you go to Google Forms and you click on blank form, as you can see right here, this one over here. Once you click on that one right there, you're gonna now go into AI mode. They are integrating it with Gemini. And Gemini, as you know, is the competitor of ChatGPT, of like Grok and all these other giants. But Google has actually gone really deep into this right now, and they're getting better and better at it. So once you're here, it's going to say, let's start creating. What do you want to do? And you can see here at the bottom, I'm asking it specifically. I am a chiropractor that specializes in lower and upper back pain. I want to get some ideas of what pain points my target audience has so that I can create content around it and I can help them. And in seconds, Gemini created a form that I can use in seconds. Here's the request over here. Now I can get an email subscriber because they are interested in engaging with me. And look at the questions that are coming in. What is the primary location of your back pain? All the different answers, multiple choice. More over here. What activities or situations typically worsen your back pain? And what type of content would you be most interested in seeing regarding back pain management and relief? And check this out. I want to see more about stretches and exercises for relief. I want to see more about the causes of back pain. I want to know about better sleep and pain reduction. You get the idea, right? All these things are now data points being fed back to you that you can use in your content creation. But don't be creating content based on what you want to create. Create content based on what your audience wants you to hear about or they want to learn about more themselves. Then you click create form. Once you're done with that and you like the questions that came in and it was great and it was valuable, you go over here, you create form. You make edits as necessary. Like maybe you want to change one of the questions, you want to add more, you want to add another option and so on. You want to add some of your creative on it. And then you click publish. And once you click publish, this is where you can get a link, which is says, for example, anyone with the link, you can make it exclusive to your staff or to specific people on a group or so on. But the beautiful thing about it is that now you can create a special link that everybody can actually, now this right here, copy responder link. You can now take that and what do you do with it? Well, you're gonna go and send it via text. You're gonna send it by email. You're gonna post it on social media. You're going to, if you even wanna run advertising campaigns to it, you want to go everywhere, but you're going to get as much data as possible. You want to send it to your friends and family. Here's the incredible thing and the real true fact about building a brand, building a business, scaling a brand. When you have been a great human being in your life, people tend to interact and engage with you. So you can actually get, if you've been a good human being, you can actually send messages to people, which you have a lot of them in your phone and in your email, and you know what you're going to get? Responses, because people are good. Most people are good humans that want to help and want to give some of their energy back to you.